Somebody gave me the squeeze.
What's up, friends? I know it's daytime. 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Gonna go do the OECC meet. Got new shirts. Gonna sell to some of the club members. Gonna drive to the North Shore, see some friends, watch the sunset, just chill. And this is gonna be one of the cruises where I drive slow, believe it or not. People have complained that I drive too fast, so I'm gonna go slow.
Flash it, star. This one not come from far. This one not come from far. Do it, John. Flash it, star. This one not come from far. This one not come from far. Bam badang badang bang diddly diddly bang. Ay, reggaeton international, international baby. Reggae gone international. Ay, reggae gone international, international baby. Reggae gone international. Ay, ay. We there on a mission, we no take it lightly. Get me strength and power from the Almighty. When we chat on the rhythm, come we do it nicely. When we trot on road, yeah, we step lightly. The shoes on me feet, it a crisp Nike. The crown on me head, it a look crispy. All together, it a look sexy. That's why the pretty girl a go wind the body. When we touch the stage, I will look tiny. But me sound to a big gun, me have style. Style, li, 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 li. Style, li, 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 li. Reggae gone international, international baby. Reggae gone international. Ay, reggae gone international, international baby. Reggae gone international. Ay, ay. Me say me neat, me sweet, me full of technique. Some boy nowadays just out of me league. Me am stamina and me am the physique. Work, we a work every day of the week. Me nah have fun till me work complete. And me just can't done till the thing concrete. Yes, you know say reggae music have potential. And you know say Likkle Jordee